is a mess. I need to find out what happened.
Goat, can you help me?
Yes, I will help.
Look at these tracks.
Good clue. Let's investigate together. Teamwork is good.
Cluck!
I saw something strange.
Please tell us.
There were tracks here too. More clues. I will write everything down.
What is in that little hole?
Please don't be scared of me. It's okay. We are friendly.
Thank you.
I saw trouble over there. Come with us, little mouse. The seeds are everywhere. These are big hoof prints. Let's follow them. Hello, friends. Horse, we need your help.
I will help.
I see wheel marks, too. Another clue. Stay close, everyone. Careful, the mud is slippery. Let's make a path.
Good idea.
One step at a time.
Slowly. I can do it.
We made it! These plants are thirsty. There is no water here. Let's refill the can. The pump is this way. Water is coming. Great! Drink, little plants. They look better now. Catch the seeds! Got one.
Me too.
Good job, everyone! We need a smart plan. First clean, then plant, then water. I can clean this part. Put the weeds in here.
I can help too.
Every little help matters.
Row 1 is finished. Plant carefully. This line is ready.
Now cover the seeds. More seeds are here. Different seeds need different rows. Put the right sign here.
Labels help us remember.
Old leaves can help the soil. This is called compost.
Rain is coming.
We must protect the rows. Hold it tight.
I can hold this side. Me too! The garden is safe now.
We are doing a great job!
Let's check the garden again. Look! Tiny sprouts. It is so small and cute.
The straw will help them.
Careful, a worm.
Worms help the soil stay healthy.
All clean. We need one more helper.
I brought the sticks. I brought the hat. Tie it nice and tight. The hat looks perfect. Now the corn has a guardian. Did you hear that?
So this is what happened.
It was an accident. I am sorry.
Thank you for telling the truth.
The wheel came loose first. Let's fix it together. Push and hold.
I brought the peg.
The wheel is fixed.
everything back in place. This basket is for corn. The garden is saved. It looks beautiful.
I am sorry, friends. We forgive you. Tell the truth and help fix mistakes.
We are good friends.
Let's make garden rules. Care for nature every day. One last drink for the plants. They are growing. Mission complete. The garden feels happy now. I am proud of our work. The cart is ready for tomorrow. Thank you, my wonderful friends. We worked hard and helped nature. The garden looks magical tonight. Help the earth, tell the truth, and work together.
Goodbye. See you again.